Here's a small demo of Chip Fat and Open MFRU edition. Let me just plug it in here. Audio out. This is going straight to a small amp. And here is a mini jack as the stylophone controller. So on the bottom here we have a 1.5 octave keyboard. So you can play small piano-like melodies. There's control of octaves here, up and down. 16 built-in sounds. This is 8-bit samples being processed. So can modulate this with the frequency modulation, choosing the depth. Let me just turn this up a bit. The depth and the rates, and the waveform I will modulate it with. This is a triangle. So this is the modulation wrapping around some funky distortion arrives. There's a small sequencer in here and a small gate sequencer. Let me just show you the gate sequencer first. So I can turn on and off these 16 LEDs, and this works as a gate sequencer. So now I can it will only play once it hits lit LED. You can set the tempo. There's a small looper in here. So if I just reset the sequence, I can go into the sequence mode. So there's basically two sequencers. This is now playing from memory, and I can set the offset positions and the length of the loop. And the speed of this playback. And I can set the sustain of these notes. And the funny thing is that I can still run the gate sequencer on top of this. So you see, everything can kind of interact with each other, making some somewhat chaotic patterns. There's a whole there's a pitch bend down here, so with a body switch. And furthermore, there's a infrared receiver here and an infrared transmitter here. So if we had two of these, we could link them together. One could be master, one could be slave. Up here we have a serial programmer for the ATmega chip. So this whole thing could be reprogrammed in the Arduino environment to make, say, a drum machine out of this or something else. This is a rotary encoder for general UI and a little kind of navigation thingy here. There's a small op amp with overdrive and bass boost. And yeah, this is a general input to make, say, other sensors, light sensors, flex sensors, so on, to control pitch. So yeah, let's jam.